It's an amazing experience. I think this is one of the best learning sessions I've had. Very interactive workshop, and the concept itself is very unique and quite touching. It
Already.
was a new concept yeah, when the invite came through. After that, I read on it a little bit, but what I experienced today was amazing. It could actually become a mission for life. For UST, it should work in every organization. For UST, more so because of the three values of humility, humanity, and integrity, which actually tie in quite nicely to the servant leadership framework. So I'm quite sure that it should work quite well over here also. Oh, absolutely. I think the first thing I'm going to go back is the beautiful thing about today's workshop was not just the theory, the concept, which is kind of godly, but also the templates that came along with it, the worksheets, the way in which you can actually apply it has come through. So from a team perspective, we will start implementing that right away, and I hope rest of the people also get trained on it in simple ways, in smaller terms. If not the entire workshop, even small bits is fine. So we will surely go ahead and implement it right away. Thank you. It will be a pleasure. I'm really looking forward to that. So let's hope that I can kind of end up spreading some joy, which you already are doing.